Hi, I'm Andy Weinberg, and I work in the aftermarket automotive, performance, and motorsports industries for Miller Welders. I often get asked which machine is right for this industry. Well, for me, I don't do any production work, but I do build a lot of cars. And I chose the Multimatic 220 AC/DC. It MIG welds, TIG welds both AC and DC for my aluminum and steel, and even stick welds. Add the optional spool gun and dual cylinder rack, and this is a complete package. The machine also has the AutoSet Elite feature. Now, AutoSet Elite is great for beginners because it puts you in the right parameter range for whatever material thickness you're welding. And it has a window that you can fine-tune, and it won't allow you outside a weldable condition. If you're only looking for a basic MIG machine, the Millermatic 211 would be the choice. All these machines have that great inverter engine, can run on 120 and 240 volt input power, and have that heavy duty cast aluminum drive assembly. The Millermatic 211 has the basic AutoSet feature, which means I'm going to set my wire diameter and the material thickness, and that puts me in a single parameter range for that thickness material. If you're looking for a step up from the Millermatic 211, the Multimatic 215 would be an outstanding choice. It has digital meters and that AutoSet Elite feature. It comes from the factory as a MIG stick machine, but you can add the optional TIG accessory kit for doing DC TIG. So in recap, if you're looking for a machine that can do all processes, like TIG welding AC and DC, as well as your MIG, the Multimatic 220 is the way to go. If you're only looking for a basic MIG machine, the Millermatic 211 could be the machine for you. If you want a machine that's in between that has AutoSet Elite and digital meters, the Multimatic 215 would be the answer.